In our first step towards writing an effective thesis statement, we must first understand what it is. A thesis statement presents your topic to the reader, provides your opinion on that topic, and summarizes the argument you will make in the paper. A carefully crafted thesis statement should be concise, arguable, and specific. It needs to be 1 to 2 sentences long. Present your position and argument, stating what the paper is about and why it matters. When crafting your thesis statement, begin with a broad question about your topic. Then narrow it down into a specific claim that you can support with evidence. The statement should express one main idea that aligns with your arguments in the paper. Once you have your draft thesis, test its strength. Ask yourself if it's specific, is it arguable, is it focused? If your thesis fails any of these tests, refine it until it passes all checks. Here is an example of a strong thesis statement. Eating organic is essential to our health because organic foods reduce the risk of exposure to pesticides and other harmful substances. Remember, the more precise the thesis, the better. Like the video and comment below about your experience of writing thesis statement. For academic writing help, you can connect with our experts on WhatsApp or visit us at dissertationhomework.com. See you in the next video. Till then, good luck.